Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add app connections on Zapier. This is useful if you want to connect apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, or Slack so you can automate your workflows. Now, what are app connections? So before we start, quick explanation. App connections in Zapier allow you to link your accounts so they can work together automatically. For example, you can connect Gmail to Google Sheets and automatically save emails into a spreadsheet. So let's start. Step one, log into Zapier. So go to Zapier website and log into your account. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see your main workspace. So next, let's go to App Connections. So on the left side menu, look for My Apps or App Connections. Now click on it. So this is where all your connected apps will appear. Now click on Add Connection right here or connect a new account. Then a search bar will appear. So next, let's choose an app. Type the name of the app you want to connect. For example, Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack. So I'm going to try Slack. Click on the app once it appears. So I'm going to click this one and tap on Add Connection. Now, a pop-up window will open asking you to log in. So allow Zapier to access your Slack account. Tap on Yes, continue to Slack. So allow Zapier app to access Slack. Tap on Allow. Now, all of those steps was important because it allows Zapier to access your app. Now, once authorized, your app will now appear in the app connections list. So that means it's successfully connected and it's ready to use. Now that your app is connected, you can use it when creating a Zap. So just select the app as a trigger or action, and Zapier will automatically use your connected account. So you can connect multiple accounts for the same app and manage them anytime from the app connections page. And that's basically it. That's how you can easily add app connections on Zapier. Thanks for watching.